I lost so much money yesterday that I couldn't even afford to buy a new shirt. We're coming back. We're making a comeback. It's not going to be right to the top, but still, with a smaller account today, only $1,800 in my account, I managed to make $425 this morning, all before the market opened. Finding this one opportunity, identifying the weakness, seeing the opportunity, jumping in, taking profit, and then walking away. It happened so fast, I didn't even have time to put clothes on this morning. Gonna show you the trade, show you all the action in this video. So, well, stay tuned. So I don't even have a shirt on right now, trading pre-market. That's why I didn't record my entry. I didn't really think I was gonna do anything crazy here, but just jumped in 1,000 shares short here on AMID, looking for this to get down there. I'll take 655, maybe it breaks through 650 here. See if I can get filled here at 655. 655 getting sold into there. Let's see if it'll get cracked through 655. Big seller there at 670. There's 665, 655, 650 again. Let me put an order out there, 655, see if I get some fill. Might just take this fill here at 670. Just lock in $300 in profit. There's 650 again on the bid. Let's see if it'll drop. Come on. Get through 650, 665, 655 again. Bid dropping out there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover 500 here at 665. That's the smart thing to do, right? That's the smart thing to do. And I'm going to see if we can get this break below 650. There's 660, 655, 650, hitting the bid there. And I'm going to take it all there at 650. Boom. Beautiful. Wow, that's a great way to start the day. Up $425. I don't have a shirt on. This is funny. This is awkward. This is funny, but this is great. Great YouTube. I'm going to get so many more views today not wearing a shirt. And I've actually got to go film some stuff. We're doing a demo today, some drone demos for a big cruise ship company down in Miami. So I got to go down there and film some of that, some drones today. Also later on, I'm going to be posting up a video talking about how much money I actually make not from day trading, showing you some real bank statements, baby. And I'm happy with that. $425 this morning. So my equity here is not right. My equity really is only like $1,800 or $1,900 after that $2,000 loss yesterday. So that's not bad. So $2,000. So that's a 22% return today on this small account. So I can't complain about that. Also, I got lucky yesterday as well when BPI, when I tried to sell there, I tried to sell it at like 1075, couldn't get filled, had some issues with my broker, and instead what I do is basically sent them the video showing I had the issues, and they gave me 1075 as a price. So I didn't lose the full $2,000, which was good. I didn't learn that until later on in the day. So that was one good silver lining. So that was like another $500 that I saved myself. So I'm happy about that. I'm not going to complain. Saving $500 just by recording my screen. So that worked out great. If you saw my last video, I talked about how I was paying a bunch of ECN fees. Well, I'm no longer paying ECN fees. So that's one good thing I got going for me. So we're working here. Working on. And looks like I covered at the perfect time here. Looking like I covered right at the right time. Really, the whole reason I jumped in on this trade in the first place was the stock had really bad news. And I was looking at the 5-minute chart, actually. You can see this candle pushed up right above that VWAP and got denied there at 720. There was a big, massive seller there that was just sitting right there. And I was like, oh, I'm going to jump in here. It's a 5-cent ticker. I was thinking we might just drop right down to 650. Right when I got in, it dropped right down there to 675. So like right out of the bat, I was in the green and then never really got into the red. So this whole trade, I was in the green. And I was hoping we would really kind of get that pullback all the way down here. But you can see that 650 area kind of holding it up right now. The stock's already down like 40% on the day. Not sure how much further it's going to go. It can still always go lower, but it's down from 1140 down there to 650 right now. So I can't complain. I said that a lot today. I can't complain. After yesterday's whole debacle, the crazy thing is a lot of people were commenting about how, I need to figure out my different plan. I need to do this, I need to do that. I need to study more and all this. But really what it comes down to is the plan that I had. I know obviously people are going to say it wasn't the best entry, it wasn't whatever. It could have went higher and the video would have been a totally different video. I would have been posting saying I made $1,000. Now that's always kind of, it's always like the what ifs. It coulda, shoulda, woulda. I'm not trying to say that my entry was good or it was right or anything like that. But what the big problem was, it wasn't so much that I didn't have a plan or I didn't have a strategy. The issue was I didn't cut my loss. So instead of only having like a $200, $300 loss, I let my loss run and turn into a $2,000 loss. That's not really anything to do with studying or technical analysis, anything like that. It's not even about actually trading. It's just about the emotions, and that's really all it was. Nothing but emotions. Emotions were the reason I lost. It wasn't because of my strategy or my plan or anything like that. And I'm not trying to make it like a thing where like, oh, you know, I was okay, I was good, I knew what I was doing. It really wasn't about my trading skill per se. It wasn't about so much of that. It was more so just me going full deer in headlights and holding onto that loser a lot longer than I should have, which is funny because if I would have been a little bit more stubborn, the stock actually went to 1281 later on, so I could have got back out for a profit if I would have just held. And I kind of thought about it. You know, I thought about holding it, and then I really just told myself, I got to get out. I can't do this. I can't be this guy. I can't just blow up my whole entire account. So I ended up getting out for $2,000 loss, saying it's just kind of what it is. So today I was just really kind of focused on finding an opportunity, and I was just sitting here this morning working on some videos and actually looking at this stock. I saw the news on it, and once it kind of bounced back up here, but I kind of liked how it got rejected so hard there above $7. There was just some massive sellers sitting there. So I was like, well, I'm gonna jump in here. It wasn't beautiful because it's already down 40%. It's low volume. It was risky. It was risky, no doubt about it. Sometimes you got to risk it to get the biscuit, and that's what we did today. And then that's why I kind of took profit quickly, and $425 with only $1,800 in capital. Not bad at all. And I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I will talk to you guys later on.